I've been seeing a lot of videos online where people are using different things, probably their eyeliner or maybe they are under eyeliner, to try to do their eyeliner. It's a hack, but I'm gonna be trying this. So I have this, but I don't think this is quite pigmented, so I'm gonna be using my carrot eyeliner, you know, this one. So once I'm done with that, we're gonna see how it looks like. I'm gonna be using this one first. So if you have to like rub it here on the tip of your finger, this, and then you drag it off. See, this is not that pigmented. So I'm gonna be making use of this. I'm gonna be applying my brushes with it. Okay, so this isn't bad, it's just that I'm not, how do I put it? Yes. Oh, okay. And then this. Because this is quite big, and I'm gonna work it up a bit. I feel like I should have gotten it on distance. I'm gonna get this better. I got this better, so this I did very well. This I didn't get very well because I didn't first understand how this was going to look like. So, and it's quite too big. So I'm gonna be reducing it a bit. This is actually not bad for those who are having problem with drawing the wings of the eyeliner. So I feel like this is actually cool. You can just easily use it. Like you, I think you have to put it on the side of your hand, and then you just wing it. Yeah, well, I love this side better, and this is the first time I'm just trying this, so I think this is better.